Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar and I got placed in Testyantra as a backend developer. I started the JSpiders with very little to no knowledge in front-end or backend programming languages. With the help of Chetan sir, I can able to learn Java in a very helpful manner, and his way of teaching is very helpful in doing programs and understanding the basic logics. After Java, Nataraj sir is very helpful in doing SQL queries, and his way of teaching is very also helpful. And after completing SQL, and I went to Tamil Selvan sir to study HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is his way of giving assignments are helpful in practicing front-end development. Thank you.